When you've received payment from a debtor, you'll need to book it through Debtor Centre, select the relevant MES member, click on Book Payment down the bottom. So you enter in a total, this is the amount that's gone into your bank. And give it a reference, so this might be something that would appear on your bank statement. You can give it a reference to and a comment if you want to add some additional information. Money account, so this would be the bank account the money's been paid into. And the effective date defaults to today, but you can change this. And you'll see at the bottom half of the screen, these are all your outstanding invoices for this particular MES member. So what you can do is you can either click on Automatic, and that will automatically allocate the total you've put at the top there to the earliest outstanding invoice until it runs out of money. So in this case, it's a straight allocation of the whole amount. You can see it's got the word multiple under the fund code. This means that the invoice had multiple funds. So you can double click on multiple, and that will show you the breakdown of the values per fund. Let's say in this case they've already got some unallocated cash. So in this case we've got a credit note here that's outstanding, so we want to allocate this credit note to that invoice. So in here you can either type in the amount into the allocation column, or just click on Automatic and that puts it in for you, and click on Record. So now we have £186 here, which is obviously too much for this invoice. So if we reduce that down, so this is the amount they've paid, £105.10, which has gone into your bank account. And then we've used the unallocated cash, so the credit note value of £40.50, and we've allocated it to that invoice. So we'll automatically allocate it to that invoice. So therefore the invoice isn't outstanding anymore. So we click on Confirm and Record, and that's that booked now. So if we look under Statement, you can see the payment that they've made into the bank account, £105.10, and then you've got the credit note and then the invoice. So none of these are outstanding because we've allocated them all together.